Use effect can be confusing until you understand how it works. In this video, I'm going to dive deep into use effect, break it down step by step with real world example for you to understand. Let's get started. Think about this. The moment you open WhatsApp on your phone, without pressing anything, it checks for new messages and updates your chat. This is exactly what use effect does in React. It lets your app react to changes automatically. Use effect hook is a built-in function in React that allows us to perform side effect function in a component. In React, a side effect is anything that happens after your component is displayed. That is not directly related to showing UI. For example, imagine you walk into your room and turn on the lights. The light turning on is the expected action, but your mom hears the sound and call you for dinner. That is a side effect, something that happened because of your action, but it's not directly related to turning on the lights. Now let's see how you can use effect in React. We first of all have to import use effect from React. Remember, this is a built-in function. This is how the basic syntax of use effects look like. The first argument is a function where we put our side effects, and the second argument is a dependency array which tells React when to run the effects. Let's create a simple React component that logs out a message whenever the page loads. To do that, we first of all have to import use effect from React. Now inside our app component, we write a use effect with this console log message. Now the code inside use effect runs every time React renders the page, and the message appears in the console every time the page updates. Let's see how we can control when use effect runs. Right now, use effect runs every time React re-renders, but sometimes we only want it to run once when the page loads. To do this, we add an empty array like this. This empty array tells React, run this only the first time the components appear, then stop. Let's take a look at this example. Imagine you install Instagram on your phone. For the first time you open it, it will ask you for your login details. After this, it remembers your account and it doesn't ask again. That is what the array does. It only runs once, like logging in for the first time. Another example is fetching data from API. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.